We also have a network of cameras. This one in particular is showing a stellar view of the sun peeking over the horizon here. As we are seeing the sun angle changing, we're watching a thunderstorm that was moving at 60 miles per hour. So 45 minutes left with that window for thunderstorms to be a little bit stronger. Tonight we'll have intermittent showers with temperatures now, thankfully because of the rain, in the upper 70s and low 80s. The bulk of the heavy rainfall is in Cullman County right now. It was a larger cluster of thunderstorms that was moving up from the south. It was tropical in nature too, but it has now weakened. Our WVTM 13 live Doppler radar is tracking it all in real time. So minute by minute it is changing. There's that real-time radar sweep coming down pretty heavily right now from Good Hope northward parallel to Cullman, because keep in mind it's coming up straight from the south and moving due north. The gusty winds, that's going to continue because the Cristobal remnants will still impact us on Tuesday. So the humidity is not going to be done with us until a cold front basically sweeps it all through into the eastern seaboard by Wednesday night. This is the satellite and radar composite, which shows just how massive it is. And notice how it can create a rift in the atmosphere and a little bit of instability in southern Georgia right now. The rain bands, the feeder bands, taking that moisture directly from the Gulf of Mexico and planting it right here in the deep south. Already 3 names down. We had 2 names down before hurricane season even began. So in your 7-day forecast, we went ahead and made Tuesday an impact day. Let me show you why. Tonight, the rain, again, is just going to be spotty. We have until about 7 p.m. and then we're going to lose the heating of the day. That will really increase the rain. By tomorrow, we get pretty warm. Tuesday afternoon, breezy with thunder showers up from the south. And then notice this line of thunderstorms Tuesday night and into Wednesday. That's going to bring our rain chances up again on Wednesday. But this particular cold front is expected to bring our temperatures down. And so there could be a couple of thunderstorms that get kind of strong. That's Wednesday morning at 8 a.m. They don't look terribly ominous right now, but it's Monday night. And so I think that this will be a little bit more well-defined. Notice by noon on Wednesday, a little line of showers and thunderstorms begins to develop. That's a good indication the forecast models are picking up on that cold front as it moves eastward by Wednesday night. We're looking at a great morning. Temperatures in the 60s in the morning on Thursday and Friday. That's excellent running weather and getting outside with the kiddos. So we just have a couple of kind of rotten days, courtesy of Cristobal. And then the temperatures will move back to the 90s in your 7-day forecast, of course, as we wrap